just texting me
Just look at the tab.
about pictures.
Very pretty. Grandma,
Yes.
say doll.
Doll.
No, say D-O-L-L.
Doll.
No, say it again.
Doll.
Say it with an O.
Duel.
Not a U, an O.
Duel.
What's a U?
Doll.
No, that's an A.
Doll.
No, that's an A.
Duel.
That's a U.
No, that's an O. That's a long O. Duel.
Duel? You said duel.
Doll.
That's an A.
Doll.
That's an A.
Deal.
That's an E.
Doll.
That's an A.
Duel.
That's a E.
I want to play with my duel baby.
That's a E. That's a U.
I want to play with the duel baby.
That's a E.
A doll
U.
baby.
I
It's a
can't-
doll baby.
No, that's an
It's
A.
always been a doll baby.
It's a doll.
Doll.
That's an A. A doll.
Doll. I'm trying to say it like you.
Say it again.
Doll.
Say it again.
Doll.
No, say it with an O.
Doll. Doll.
You got this, Jesse. Oh,
Good swing. You got the next one?
you got this, Jesse. Oh,
Oh, that was a good swing, buddy. Good swing, Jesse. Nice job. I can't hear you!
she got stuck.
Ah! Oh my God! Ow!
What do you have to say about that, Gracie?
Gracie!
Nice shot, Tommy.
Gracie!
Watch out, Dad. Run.
Run!
Oh boy.
Woo, that was nice.
Good one, John.
What are we doing, Daisy?
I have no idea.
What are we here for?
Fireworks.
And it looks lighter than it is.
It's way darker.
Yeah, it's way darker. That's really how dark it is. And yeah, over there, that's how dark it is. But you probably hear fireworks, but that's not actually the fireworks that we're going to be watching. If you look back there. Stop.
Give me pocket blue. Give me the thing on the back of your phone.
That is where the fireworks are going to be.
I want to go in your back. Yeah, come on.
So now we just have to wait till 10, and it's like 9:30. It's like 9:30 right now. So, and it's really windy out, 18-mile-per-hour winds. So. Light it, light it, light it. So, we came after the fireworks, and it's about 12:30, 1 o'clock right now, and I just did a jump program. If you don't know what that is, it just helps me build up my leg mass and help me jump higher for basketball so I can dunk. But yeah, I'm very tired and sore, and I'm about to take a hot shower. And hopefully this vlog was long enough for you guys. It's a mix of a couple days, actually a couple, maybe like a week. So sorry that I slacked, but hopefully you guys liked the vlog. Please leave a like, subscribe, share the video, and comment what you want next. Peace.